Sunshine, to go back to our channel. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Morian.
And together we are Mad Curls. And welcome to another Mad Curls review and tutorial. In this video we are going to be talking about the new CURLSMITH hair makeups which have been highly requested by you guys since they have dropped.
Yes, they have. I'm so excited. I really am.
Should we tell them why you're fanning?
They probably can guess. It's the annual meltdown. It is hot. And see, guys, I did not put the air conditioning on in the house so I get the whole downstairs cool. And so I came downstairs and you probably put it on like, what, 3 minutes before I got downstairs, and it has to cut through all this heat. I am hot. Like, I won't make it if I can't fan, I told her.
Okay, and so we have a little fan on over there. We're going to try to project our voice.
We're going to project. We're going to talk louder because we have to talk over the fan.
Yes.
We understand this now.
And your little fan.
And my little fan.
Okay, so video. CURLSMITH hair makeups, which they're totally cool. They're new product. They are styling gels that coat your hair with color, so you can style your hair and kind of change its color at the same time. And it's not permanent, washes right out.
Yes.
And they dropped 5 colors. We have all 5 colors here. Should we show them the 5 colors?
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay.
So they are ruby.
Okay. They have turquoise.
There is gold.
There's rose gold.
And there is copper. Hey.
Alright.
So very cool, and they smell really, really good.
They do, and each one has ingredients in it that kind of complement like the color. For instance, the turquoise has blueberry in it. It has borage, B-O-R-A-G-E. It has periwinkle, and it has juniper as an ingredient.
And the copper, which is like orangey, it has apricot, orange peel, pumpkin, and carrot.
And the rose gold has guava, pink grapefruit, peach, and rose.
The gold has pineapple, dandelion, lemon peel, and goldenrod. And the ruby has strawberry, beet extract. Is it Rooibos? R-O-O-I-B-O-S.
Rubius? Rubius?
Something red.
Someone didn't do their homework.
And watermelon.
Yeah.
So, and they all smell really, really good. And I think what's the coolest thing is that they're styling gels. So we're all aware of like the styling waxes that came out, and then those spray hair colors in a can or whatever, where you can like use to like change your hair color during Halloween.
Nothing like those at all.
Nothing. It's a styling gel. You can style your hair with it, which I think is very cool.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we are going to be styling our hair.
Now, normally it's like a first impression, and in all honesty, guys, the other day we filmed this whole thing, and it was a first impression, but we didn't feel like we had enough information, so we kicked that to the curb. Though you might see snippets of it, because we did do another color, and now we're going to switch up the colors. So, but the other day was the first impression. I'm glad today that we got a chance to really understand the product, and now we're going to do it right, shall we say.
So you guys will be able to see footage of the other day, and the 2 colors that we chose. We're choosing 2 different colors today.
Yes.
So it actually kind of works out because you'll be able to see more of the colors in our hair.
Right.
So what color are you doing today?
Today I want to do copper.
You're going to do copper. And I'm going to do ruby. And then the other day I did turquoise.
And the other day I did rose gold.
Okay. So if you want to hear more about this product, we will talk about it, give you some more information, prices, all that kind of stuff. Then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. Okay, so we're not first things first watering this video because your hair has to be damp, and both of our hair is damp. And Lorian also did half of her head already off camera. We're still trying to figure out our timing with my new short hair because I kind of apply product faster than I used to, and so we're trying to figure it out.
Because she's not a talker like me. Guys, remember when my hair was longer and I could hold down the fort while she was, when my hair was shorter, she could like go through, but she
the first video we did, I was just like rambling for 10 minutes while you were still applying. I was like, okay, we're not doing that this video.
And then she got up and disappeared, and I'm like, where are you going? And I like, guys, I was just like making stuff up like in my mind. I just talked about anything. So it was just really uncomfortable footage.
So you did copper. It looks so good. Oh my gosh.
We thought we were going to show you all the colors because we've shown everything except now the gold. But I keep touching my hair with this copper over there.
Yeah, copper's on this side already.
So I might as well just do copper.
All right. So I'm doing ruby. So these products are 3 ounces, and they retail for $19.99. Again, clean ingredients. It's CURLSMITH, curly girl friendly, cruelty free, no sulfates, parabens, what is it, sulfates, did I already say that, mineral oils, phthalates. You guys know CURLSMITH, clean ingredients. So it's so cool that they have a product like this that can,
The way it smooths, you put in a dollop and then it smooths.
that allows you to have fun with different hair colors,
Yeah.
and it's like not gonna put anything bad into your hair. So it says to apply it on damp, detangled hair, divide the hair in sections, rake a generous amount through each section, then scrunch to help the curls spring back, air dry or diffuse, then scrunch again to break the cast. It says you can apply a leave-in conditioner under the color to keep your curls hydrated. It says protect your clothes with a towel. We are doing that.
We didn't do that the other day. Though it was no biggie. The only thing that was a biggie was that a piece flew onto my shirt, but it wasn't a big deal. It came right out. So, but today I just because we're going to follow it by the letter.
I think the other day my hair was too wet too.
Could have been.
Yeah, they said damp hair. So.
May I suggest, since we're kind of like doing a tutorial, don't go to town or go to sleep on a section and just keep pulling and pulling, because you almost blend it right on out. You know, it's a fun product, definitely like a temporary thing. So enjoy it and do it like that. Like, just don't keep like a
pulling on it
or something. You know, that you need to have it all on your hair, all in each layer. Like, it's like, I would try to aim for a little bit more topical. You know, that way you get the best benefit from that. It's not meant to be blended in every single layer. I try to.
The color almost looks like metallic.
Yes.
And it definitely gives the hair like a shine.
Yes.
So I really like that.
You see that? So when I do it like that, and I just kind of like let it rest on the top, because it's temporary, and it does come out. So
yeah, it rinses after one wash. So the other day when I rinsed out, the blue literally went under the faucet in the shower, and it started coming out. And then of course, like, I shampooed and conditioned and stuff, and it came right out. And as you see, we're not wearing gloves. You don't have to wear gloves. It rinses right off your hands with some hand soap.
And today the last 2 days, after we did it the other day, we haven't done anything for 2 days. You took it right out of your hair right away. I wasn't bothered. I kept it in my hair till this morning when I washed my hair for this video, and that was a rose gold. Slept on my sheets, all of that, not a problem. So I'm not saying you have to do that, but I'm saying if you lean towards bustedness like me, never worry, don't fear. It doesn't get on the sheets. At least it didn't get on mine. And then when it rinsed out in the water, it wasn't like, just like, you know, like when we do like the purple shampoo or something, or if people do purple shampoo, like the whole bottom of the shower, if I'm in the bath, it's like all purple, and you know, nope, nothing like that. Ooh,
Yeah, mine either.
It
Wasn't splattered on the walls or whatever, blue.
So like this. Yeah, it does lean towards metallicness. If you can kind of see if it picks up the metallic, kind of. I don't know, but yeah, this is truly copper.
I might be a redhead again. I might have to do that.
Oh my God, what do you think?
It might be a wave. This is also a fun way to kind of like test colors.
Yes.
You know, if you wanted to like have red hair or copper hair, or if you're thinking about dyeing your hair blue or gold or whatever, just to kind of test to see what it would look like.
Now, if you guys see me doing this, and I kind of always mention it, but I'm going to make a point to mention it now, because I got a lot of feedback from the CURLSMITH Vitamin and the Elixir video. You guys appreciated the honesty, and lots of us have struggled with male pattern baldness, and it was good to know that. So I do this because I told you, as I'm getting older, going through the 50s, you know, you start to see that separation, that separated part a little bit more and more. So I just take the hair, just kind of try to mask it and cross it over in that way, and that works for me. Let's see. Yes, I love this. I love the color.
Wait, my little
It's truly copper.
like my little edges, edgy edges.
Can you guys see how copper this is? So then the directions also say that you can like let it dry a little bit, and then you can go back through. So that was another thing the other day that I felt like it kind of like got lost. My hair has the highlights in the rose gold too. Like it was like very, very close to that highlighted look. So but I didn't want to shall I say, like waste more product because I knew that I was just gonna like go to bed and I didn't want to do that. But today now I'm cognizant because we saw the pictures on their website and it's extremely vibrant. And to me that speaks to a second layer. It seems like they let their hair dry and they went back through one more time to really maximize the color. So that's what I will do today. So I'm gonna let this dry. So you guys see that it's in. I think that it's definitely more popping at this stage than the rose gold was the other day.
And I also feel like, so they say it's for all hair textures and it's also for all hair colors. But I feel like you have to keep in mind what color hair you have and how that's gonna like pop on your hair. Like my hair is darker. The other day I put the blue on it. I felt like you could definitely see the blue on my dark hair, but when I saw a picture of somebody with blonde hair, it popped a little bit more. But when someone who had dark hair used the gold one, it popped on the dark hair more than it did on the light hair. So you're gonna see the hair color like on your head no matter what color hair you have, but I think depending on the color hair you have, it's like how much it's gonna pop or it's not gonna pop. So, and you can also mix the colors, you know, if you know the color wheel, if you mix, you know, the blue with the red, you can get purple, you know, the green with, not the green, I'm sorry, the blue with the gold, you could probably get like a hue of like green or something, so you can mix the colors as well and kind of create your own color.
Yeah. Oh, I love this. I love this because I always tend towards like more warmer colors. So I like this.
I feel like I could be a redhead girl.
So
that's cute. All right. So we're gonna air dry our hair.
Yes. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to say to the folks before we?
Shall I just show them how quickly this can come off my hands with no staining?
Okay. Yeah. We'll both go wash our hands. We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
All right. So we went and washed our hands. It came right off. Not under the nails or anything. So it comes off. You don't need to use gloves.
Yeah.
And we also want to mention one other thing.
Yes. So we will insert the footage from the other day so you can see the other colors. But the other day we did not use a leave-in. I felt that it might dilute the intensity of the color. So today I did use a leave-in because I just wanted to have, like, since we're doing a tutorial, I wanted to have all kinds of options for you guys. So today I chose to do this. It's the CURLSMITH Weightless Air Dry Cream.
Yeah, we both put it in our hair.
Okay, so I put a dollop in my hand and ran it through. How did you do it? Put a dollop?
Yeah, I put like I squeezed a little bit out, went like this, and just kind of right when I got out of the shower, and then like I walked around, put my makeup on, and so that's why when I sat down, I was like, I'm not gonna be doing first things first water because my hair was like still damp.
Right.
With because it had the leave-in in there, so my hair wasn't damp. The other day in the beginning of the footage, we did have a leave-in. My hair was like a puff. It had nothing in it, so it dried very quickly. But my hair was damp today because I did put the leave-in in.
Yeah, but definitely be cognizant of the fact, like, not a whole lot of water. Your hair should not be sopping wet.
Right.
So I put this on when we turned the camera off before, and just kind of like ran it through my hair. But my hair was a decent amount of moisture and it was on its way to getting dry, and that's kind of like where you want your hair to be. Definitely not sopping wet. The other day I believe I might have had it more sopping wet.
Yeah.
So today I didn't do that. I just kind of wanted it to be a little bit more drier, and you saw how I kind of like just put it topically, kind of like on the top, because it's a temporary thing. It's a fun thing.
I think damp, which they say on the packaging, is key. Our hair definitely was more wet, and even like I was spraying my hair during the tutorial. Like, yes, damp is the way to go. Yeah. Damp is definitely the way to go. Yeah. But oh my gosh, I love this color so much.
So we'll see when it dries, because the other day what we did not do also was we didn't when it dried, they say if you needed like more, kind of put more on, and we noticed that their website had more like bam in your face colors. So I said they had to have done that once their hair was more dry and went back through with it. So we'll see once it dries if it kind of you know, takes away the vibrancy, and then I might have to go back through one more time. Yeah. So. What
I also want to mention, which I didn't mention in the beginning, is that when they drop these, they also dropped a shampoo and conditioner, which is all about hair vibrancy, hair luster, whether you have color treated hair or just your natural hair color, you want it to be more popping. So new shampoo and conditioner. This is the conditioner. And the shampoo is called the Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo.
And this is called the Glow Perfecting Conditioner.
Yeah. They smell absolutely amazing. Of course, new ingredients and new a new something that they do. So because you know there's the CURLSMITH co-wash, there's the scalp care line, that shampoo, conditioner, like that whole treatment, and so now they have this, and this is for like color treated hair, even just for your natural hair. You want it to be more poppin', more luster, full. It says full radiance. I love these because they smell amazing, and I feel like it really makes my natural dark brown hair like shiny. I love these. I've been going through these. Like
yes, it's enhanced color, detangles more, vibrance and shine.
Yeah.
So these definitely. So these are for color treated hair.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
As well, yeah.
So they've been in the house. You've been kind of like hoarding them.
I
so
sure
I didn't
have
know it was for that. So it'll make things like pop.
Yeah, Yeah,
Okay.
and even for your natural hair, it says like your natural lush. So like my natural
Yes.
like dark brown hair has been like shiny, and like the slip-on the conditioner is amazing. Both of these smell like a fruit basket. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I wish they would bottle all these scents and like turn them into hair perfume or something,
Yeah.
because they nail it with these scents. They smell so good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just wanted to mention these.
Okay.
These retail for $25 and they're 12 ounces. Just so you know.
That's fun size. Okay.
Love these. Okay.
All
All right. So we're gonna go let our hair air dry, and we will be back to show you guys our dried results.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Bye.
And we are back. These are our dried results.
These are really dramatic.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look at
This
yours.
is one go through.
Yeah, we didn't even
Yeah.
feel like we had to go back through.
Mm-mm.
But you totally could, and the color would be even more vibrant.
Right.
But this is just one coat, and it dried, and I didn't feel the need to go back in.
Yeah. No, I didn't either. I want to be settled.
It's so fun.
I know. It's fun.
It's so fun. Like,
It's
why
fun.
not? Like, why not?
It's really
It's so fun. Well, I left all my products over here.
It's really like thoroughly in there. Though I kind of like concentrated on the top. I said like, you know, put it, make sure you, but no, it kind of like went through. I love it. It's the most convenient, fun.
Yeah,
thing.
just like every now and then, if you want to switch up your hair color, I
Right.
think it's totally fun.
Yeah.
And it's clean for your hair. You know,
Yeah.
again, clean ingredients, so it's like a safe way to have fun. It's not a wax, it's not a can of spray or whatever, and it styles your hair. It's a gel.
It's a style. It's a
Yeah,
gel. Exactly.
it's a gel
It's
styler.
style. So
So there's a hold on it.
yeah, and so I'll mention like at Halloween, if you guys were with us there, and we put those waxes in. It's not a wax. That wax was a project. That wax was messy. That wax
Never dried down.
never dried down. It
did not
always
dry
felt
down.
very clear. I can just imagine now there's all this humidity, what that would do.
Yeah.
It was always very thick.
It definitely transferred,
yeah,
and it did not dry down.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
But this is completely a styler. Like it's a gel with color to it. Imagine that.
Love it.
Yeah.
They smell
it's
amazing. Very cute.
Cute. Very, very
All right.
vibrant.
So again, I did the ruby. You did
the copper
the copper, and they also have rose gold, turquoise,
and regular gold.
and gold. So we will link these down below if you want to check them out. We will also link the shampoo and the conditioner that we showed down below if you want to check those out.
And then you're
too.
gonna put in little snippets from yesterday's run through, right?
Yeah, they would have already seen that girl
Okay.
by the time we got here.
Okay.
But yes.
Yeah,
So
check it out.
yeah, so you'll be able to see the turquoise and the rose gold.
Rose gold.
Yeah, the only one you haven't seen is the gold. We'll probably look at our highlights. That's probably what it would look for something similar to that. You guys have seen us with
Yeah.
highlights in our hair before.
Yeah, let's just give them just one little quickie little, you know, just what it looks like. Okay, let's not waste too much. I'm not gonna put it in my hair. I just wanna just show you guys. So that's the gold.
Yellow, very yellow.
Yep, very
cool.
yellow. Very good. Yeah, and they
Alright.
always have like this kind of like metallic kind of a sheen to it, right?
Yes.
Very nice.
All right, so comment down below if you've gotten any, if you want to get any, what color or colors you would get. Let us know.
Let us know.
All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and
We shall see you in our next video.
see you in our next video.
All right. Bye.